Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to seamlessly integrate PayPal into your online shopping experience. First, you'll need to set up your account. Simply visit the official PayPal website and follow the straightforward steps to create your profile. Next, securely link your preferred funding source, such as a bank account or credit card, to your new digital wallet. Finally, confirm these financial instruments to ensure everything is ready for your first purchase. Once your PayPal account is ready, online shopping becomes incredibly simple. When you're ready to make a purchase, look for the distinctive PayPal button at the checkout on thousands of online stores. Select it as your payment option, and you'll be securely redirected to log into your PayPal account. There, you can quickly review your order details and choose which linked bank account or card you wish to use, then confirm your payment. Using PayPal offers several significant advantages, especially concerning security and peace of mind. You benefit from robust buyer protection on eligible purchases, which covers a wide range of items should something go wrong. Crucially, your sensitive financial details, like your credit card number, are never shared directly with the merchant. Plus, your PayPal account provides a convenient dashboard to track all your transactions in one place, offering clear oversight. To maximize your security and shopping experience with PayPal, remember a few key tips. Always create strong, unique passwords for your account, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an additional layer of protection. This adds a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone. Regularly review your transaction history within your PayPal account to quickly spot and report any unfamiliar or unauthorized activity. Happy and secure shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.